If you're thinking about buying hosting from Host4Geeks, there are a few things you need to know before making your decision. While they offer solid services, it's essential to compare them to their competitors to ensure you're making the right choice. Stick around to get the full picture of what Host4Geeks offers, and will help you determine if it's the right fit for your needs. First off, the performance is crucial. Host4Geeks offers decent uptime, but it's not the best in the market. While they guarantee 99.9% uptime, competitors like SiteGround and Bluehost often deliver slightly better results. For most small businesses or personal websites, Host4Geeks performance should be sufficient, but it's worth considering if uptime is a top priority for you. Next thing to consider is the speed. Host4Geeks provides reasonably fast load times for websites, but when compared to premium hosts like Kinsta or WP Engine, they fall short in terms of raw speed. They do have SSD storage, which helps with performance, but if you're looking to run high-traffic websites or demanding applications, you might want to look at faster alternatives. The third thing to keep in mind is pricing. Host4Geeks is relatively affordable, but their renewal rates can surprise you. The initial cost is low, which is great for startups or personal projects, but when it comes time to renew, expect to pay more. In contrast, companies like A2 Hosting or HostGator offer more transparent pricing structures, which might be a better option if you want to avoid price hikes down the line. Next thing, support. Host4Geeks offers 24/7 customer service through live chat and tickets, but some users have reported delays in getting responses. While their support team is knowledgeable, you may encounter longer than expected wait times compared to competitors like SiteGround, known for their quick and efficient customer service. The fifth thing you should know is the features. Host4Geeks provides all the basics you need, like free SSL, domain registration, and unlimited bandwidth. But if you're looking for more advanced tools like staging environments or enhanced security options, Host4Geeks doesn't stack up as well as some of its more feature-rich competitors like WP Engine or A2 Hosting. Now let's talk about the control panel. Host4Geeks uses cPanel, which is a well-known and easy-to-use tool for managing websites, but again, some competitors have their custom-built solutions that provide better optimization for certain tasks. If you want more control and flexibility, some other hosts might be a better fit. Next up is the scalability. Host4Geeks offers basic scalability options, but for those planning to scale quickly, you might find yourself limited by their shared hosting options. Alternatives like Bluehost or DigitalOcean can provide more robust solutions, especially for growing businesses or sites that expect heavy traffic. The seventh thing to note is the website builder. Host4Geeks does offer an easy-to-use website builder, but if you're looking for more customization and flexibility, it might not be enough. Competitors like Wix and Squarespace offer more advanced drag-and-drop functionality and templates, so if you're looking to build a site without coding, these might be worth considering. The eighth thing is the security features. Host4Geeks provides free SSL and a few basic security measures, but they don't offer much beyond that. If you're running a business or handling sensitive data, you might want to look at hosts that provide more robust security features like automatic backups and enhanced malware protection, which are common with hosts like SiteGround and WP Engine. Next, let's talk about the ease of use. Host4Geeks is beginner-friendly, but the interface isn't as polished or intuitive as competitors like Bluehost, which makes setting up and managing your website easier for newcomers. Host4Geeks is simple to use, but might require a bit of learning if you're not familiar with web hosting. The 10th thing is the data centers. Host4Geeks has multiple data centers around the world, but they're not as widespread as some top-tier competitors. If your target audience is global, you may want to choose a host like SiteGround or A2 Hosting, which have a larger network of data centers to ensure faster load times worldwide. The 11th thing to consider is the email hosting. Host4Geeks includes free email hosting with most of their plans, which is great for small businesses. However, if you need advanced features or more robust email management, services like G Suite or Zoho Mail might be better alternatives. And finally, the refund policy. Host4Geeks offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is